At home, your Wi-Fi is fine, but in the office, dead zones, drops, and "why is this so slow?" seem to be the norm. Is there anything we can do? This is Quick Connect, where communication gets simpler, smarter, and way more connected. So business-grade Wi-Fi is built for more devices, more users, and more demand. It gives you better coverage, enterprise-grade security, and centralized control across locations. It's designed for scale, with features like guest access, bandwidth management, and remote monitoring, so you stay ahead of performance issues. And with Fusion Connect, it's managed and monitored for you. So if your office Wi-Fi is stuck in first gear, we'll show you how business grade connects to better performance real quick.